Okay, I will give you the basic requirements that you needed to fill out and make sure that the information that you write is all correct. Thank you.
I let that.
Okay, please proceed to the cashier to pay your bills.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. So we will here to pay our admission fee.
Thank you po.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello again, good morning. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, here's your admission slip. You can check if the information are correct and also follow the date where the assessment is conducted.
Go.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you available on May 23, 2026 at 9 a.m. because we have the applicants in food production professional LC3. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. I'm available that day, on that day, yes. Thank you.
So kindly come to our office for your appointment and look for the test the information. Thank you.
Rebecca, who are here to assess and guide the assessment. And thank you for joining us today. I will first conduct the orientation to explain the assessment process, the units of competency to be assessed, and the assessment procedure, the rules and regulation, and your responsibilities during the conduct of the assessment. The meaning of this competency assessment is to determine your required knowledge, skills, and abilities in the assessment is to determine whether the required knowledge, skills, and aptitudes can be performed according to workplace standard and test assessment procedures. And the assessment is designed to ensure that all competencies are demonstrated properly, safely, and consistently. For today's assessment, the following units of competency will be covered: monitor daily routine, plan, prepare, present, especially proceed. And then the assessment may include activity. For today's assessment, the following unit of competency will be covered: and monitor the daily routine, the plan, prepare, and present, especially proceed. And the assessment may include activity demonstration, the direct observation, questioning, and evaluation of output based on the competency standard. So, during the are expected to follow the given instruction carefully and perform tasks according to the standard workplace procedure. Perform will be evaluated using the occasional rating sheet, evidence plans, and competency assessment result summary of CARS. All evidence gathered during the assessment will be treated fairly and coordinated. During the assessment, all candidates are expected to follow the given instruction carefully and perform the task according to standard workplace procedure. Performance will be evaluated using the official rating sheet and the evidence plan, the competency assessment result summary of CARS. All evidence gathered during the assessment will be treated fairly and confidentially. Please be guided by the following rules and regulations during the assessment. Observe proper hygiene, safety, and sanitation procedure all the time. Wear the proper uniform and professional protective equipment when necessary. Wear the cell phone use is strictly prohibited unless authorized during the assessment. Observe the proper hygiene, safety, and sanitation procedure all the time. Wear the proper uniform and personal protective equipment when necessary. Cell phones are used and strictly prohibited unless authorized, and maintain professional discipline and proper conduct throughout the assessment. Do not leave the assessment area without the permission from the assessor, and follow instructions carefully to avoid the accident and the interruption during the assessment process. All candidates have the right to fair assessment, proper guidance, and feedback regarding their performance. If there are concerns regarding the assessment result or the procedure, an appeal may be raised following the standard assessment guideline. At this moment, the assessment area tools, equipment, materials, and documents are being checked and prepared to ensure that everything is completed and functional, safe, and ready to the conduct of the competency assessment. These include the orientation for the competency assessment in a food production professional factory in C3. At this moment, the assessment area tools, equipment, materials, and assessment documents are being checked and prepared to ensure that everything is complete, functional, safe, ready for the conduct of the competency assessment. These conclude the orientation for the competency assessment in a food production professional. These conclude the orientation for the competency assessment and food production professional category in NC3. Please wait for further instruction before the formal assessment begins. Thank you and good luck. because of your perform the all tasks needed in the qualification. So I give you the national certificate. So the result of the assessment is competent because of your performance